Globally, the beard hair transplant demand is getting more. Now, from LA, Los Angeles, United States, 32 years old Asian American did his beard hair transplant in the Middle East country. The beard grew, but is not natural. Too many double and triple were planted. He's here at Glomac to do a repair work with the re-FU technique of smart FU to soften the beard.
I'm 32 years old. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I came to Malaysia because I saw Professor Dr. Jas on YouTube, and I noticed that he specializes in Asian American type of hair look, which was the one I was looking for. And previously I had gotten my beard transplant by a Turkish doctor, and I don't think they knew what they were doing, or they didn't know the type of hair to do the procedure on. So now I'm here to have Professor Dr. Jas to fix my beard and to make it look more natural.
Today we have a unique case. We're going to re-FUE. This is the area that today we're going to remove some of this graft. This graft was taken from the back and put here, but it's very high caliber, and patient is not happy, it's not natural as it's very thick. We're going to give a soft look here, and randomly we're going to remove the hair, and we are targeting more of double follicle to be out from this, and patient is happy with this area, but below the jawline was not filled up by the previous doctor. Today we're going to fill up this area and also make it more natural and create the angle of mandible here. So this is a very challenging case for us, and what we're going to do today, this extracted graft we're going to use the punch so that we do not leave any scar here, and we're going to take this graft and fill up here. The balance of the graft needed will be taken from behind the donor area where it's not touched before. The goal of this re-FUE is to remove the double graft which was put on upper margin, and randomly we remove so that to give a soft look on the upper part of the beard. The graft that re-FUE double follicle will be split to a single follicle, will be transferred to the lower jawline here.